Language is the normal way human communicate. Human languages has set of rules for connecting words together to make statements and questions. When people use the word language, they can also mean the language of a community or country, the ability of speech, formal language in mathematics, logic, and computing, sign language for deaf people, a type of school language. Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK virtual class. Today, we are going to do page number 49 of your book. It is related to different languages, tongues. It comes under the head of art and culture. Before starting the topic, let's see the learning outcomes. After the completion of this topic, students, you will be able to enlist the language of different countries. You will be able to classify these languages. You will be able to identify the language of different countries. Then you can unscramble the jumbled words and write the correct language against the name of the country. Let's do. The first language is Swahili. Swahili is a Bantu language spoken mainly in Tanzania, Uganda, and Kenya, and is used as a widely spoken language throughout East Africa. It has been influenced by many other languages like Arabic. The second one is Maori language. Maori language is the language of Maori people, an official language of New Zealand. Maori people were the first to live in this island. This language is spoken nearly by 1,49,000 people. In 1817, writing system for Te Reo was established. Earlier, there was no writing system available. The third one is Malay. Malay is an Austronesian language spoken in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore, as well as southern Thailand, a language of Malays. It is spoken by about 290 million people. It is also used as trading language in southern Philippines. The fourth is Spanish language. Spanish language is also known as Castilian. It is the most spoken language in the world. Over 360 million people in the world speak Spanish as their first language. It is the official language of Spain as well as 22 other countries, and about 80 million people speak Spanish as their second language. One is Hebrew. Hebrew is a Semitic language. It was first spoken by Israel. Many Jewish people also speak Hebrew, as Hebrew is the part of Judaism. It became the language of new country of Israel in 1948. Sixth one is Khmer. Khmer is the official language of Cambodia. Its script was the base for the Thai script. It is a difficult language for people to understand and write, as Khmer words are not separated in a sentence. Almost 16 million people speak Khmer as a language. The seventh one is Arabic. Arabic is a Semitic language. Around 260 million people use it as their first language. It is one of the 6 official languages of United Nations. It is the official language of Egypt. Eighth one is Persian. Persian, also called Farsi in the Western Iranian language. It is the official language of Iran, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, and by the immigrants of Central Asia and Russia. About 60 million people speak Persian language. Ninth one is Sinhalese. Sinhalese or Sinhala is the language of Sinhalese living in Sri Lanka. They are the largest ethnic group of Sri Lanka. It belongs to the Indo-Aryan language family. It is spoken by about 19 million people of Sri Lanka. It is one of the constitutionally recognized official language of Sri Lanka with Tamil. 10th one is German. German is the West Germanic language. It is spoken in Germany, Austria, Switzerland, and Luxembourg. It is spoken by about 100 million people. It is the most widely spoken mother language in European Union. Do you know, kids? Dr. Arnold Williams of New Zealand. He was born in 1876 and was died in 1928. Was the greatest known linguistic of the world. He could speak 58 languages and many dialects frequently. Kids, I told you after the completion of this topic, you will be able to identify few languages. You will be able to enlist the languages of the different countries. Now, I have one question for you to answer. How many languages are there in the world? Which is the hardest language to learn?